Welcome to our first primary remote learning assembly. Miss Averill and I have missed seeing you every week, and we thought we'd put together, with Mr. D's help, a little sample of our assemblies using our slideshows. It's not quite the same as being together, but at least we can recognize learner profile, birthdays, and welcome our new students. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you again next week.
Hello Primary School, Miss Averill here. I hope you're staying safe and well. I miss your smiling faces. Today I'm going to bring you the Learner Profile Nominations Remote Learning Style. I'm going to start with the Principal Awards. Let's have a listen and see who's been nominated. Miss Jeannie has nominated in Grade 4 Cosmea for being Principal and Inquirer. Cosmea submitted several works of art she had tried over the past few weeks on the art challenges, as well as the element of tone. Well done, Cosmea. Miss Jeannie would also like to acknowledge Mrs. DeCourt, Cosmea's mum. Mrs. DeCourt also decided to take up the art challenge this week. She explored the style of Albrecht Dürer and MC Escher and submitted her artworks on Seesaw. Well done, Mrs. DeCourt. You are our first parent to be risk taker in art and submit. Miss Charnay would like to nominate in Grade 3 Guy and Amelia. Guy and Amelia have shown to be principled in the last 2 weeks of the remote learning. They have posted their work daily and have presented excellent work. Miss Charnay is very proud of them and their hard work that they've submitted. Miss Lindsay would like to nominate Alia and Noor. Not only are they principled, but they're also committed. Alia and Noor have taken to remote learning enthusiastically. They get all their assignments done, reflect, revise, and submit their work and give feedback. They ask questions when they're confused and make sure to share with me how they are being kind and caring to their family members around the house. In Grade 4, Miss Vina would like to nominate Emilian and Candice for being principled. Emilian and Candice have both been consistently completing all their activities during the remote learning period in a timely manner. They are both an inspiration to their class and everybody else. Miss Debbie would like to nominate in Grade 1 Ian, Maria, Kate Lowe and Neil. Not only are they principled, but they're also creative. They are enthusiastic about remote learning. They have been completing all the learning activities and gone the extra mile to share their learning with others, and they give a positive message for the rest of the class. Well done to all those people nominated this week for being principled. Let's give them a great big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh.
We've had many birthdays since March 16th, when we didn't return to school. Here are the birthdays for March 16th to March 29th. In 2D, Jin on the 17th of March. 2D, Wei-tu on the 24th of March. In 4V, on Dea on the 25th of March. 1J, Gumi on the 26th of March. 3G, Amelia on the 28th of March, Miss Hannah also on the 28th of March. In 2D, Methan had a birthday on the 29th of March, and in 2B, Winnie on the 29th of March. The birthdays for the week of March 30th to April 2nd are Bongo in 5K on the 1st of April, and then everyone else on the 2nd of April. EY1, Finn. In EY3S, Ada. In EY3D, Jan. In EY3D, Caroline. And in 4A, Simon. The birthdays for April 3rd through next week, Thursday, April 9th, are Joanne in 1D on the 3rd of April, Haley in EY3S on the 4th of April, Hendrik in 4V on the 4th of April, Miss Rashenda's birthday is the 6th of April, and Miss Deirdre's birthday is the 7th of April. I hope everyone has had a happy birthday or has a happy birthday. All the best.
Welcome back to our Learner Profile nominations. Now I'm going to talk about the people that have been nominated as risk takers. Let me start with Miss Debbie in Grade 1. Miss Debbie in Grade 1 has nominated Showan, Nami, and Jonathan for being risk takers. These students had been reading and writing and communicating in English. Well done, those children. Miss Kay has nominated Phoenix in grade 5 for being a risk taker. Phoenix has really tried his best with the remote learning by completing his tasks and submitting it on the right platform. Well done, Phoenix. Miss Vina has nominated Nalao in grade 4. Nalao took on the challenge of creating tutorials for her peers using Google Slides so that the entire class would be aware of how to organise their work into the right folders on Seesaw and also how to access books on Epic. She certainly is a risk taker, and some of those tutorials might be useful to parents as well. Let's say congratulations to those people being nominated for risk taker this week. Let's give them also a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh.
We have 3 new students who joined WIS on March 16th. Andy in 3L is not really new. He was with us a few years ago, and he's joining us again from China. Joining us from the United States are Beck in EY12 and David in EY3S. We welcome all 3 of our new students and hope that we'll be able to meet you face-to-face real soon. Let's whoosh them well with our good greetings. 1, 2, 3, whoosh!
Hi guys, the next nomination is for being balanced. I think that's one thing that we're all struggling to find in our days at home right now. Miss Beata would like to nominate in grade 2 Sasha. Sasha is knowledgeable about her environment. She could name different trees and plants around her house. She also told me that the people in the north use the quiver tree to make a container for arrows. Sasha is well balanced during remote learning by exercising in between her learning. Well done, Sasha. Miss Beata would also like to acknowledge Inesh. Inesh in grade 2 is balanced. She follows instructions well and stays healthy during remote learning. She shares a lot of interesting exercises with us on Seesaw. Make sure you guys find your balance at home, okay? Let's give these girls a big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh.
All the classes have been doing a really good job showing their evidence of learning in Seesaw. Let's talk about what makes a great Seesaw post. It must have a clear picture. If you're taking a picture, make sure we can see the work that you've done. If you do a voice recording, make sure it is loud and clear. Make sure you have a caption that properly describes your work. What did you learn? How did you do it? What did you find difficult? How did you overcome it? What was really interesting about this project? And lastly, when you post, don't just put your device away. Go back, make sure you've put the work in an appropriate folder, like maths or French or music, so that your teachers can easily find your work.
And now we come to our final nominations this week for commitment. Miss Ginny would like to nominate Emilian in grade 4. Emilian submitted several works and gave detailed descriptions of his artworks. Miss Anna would like to nominate Jessica and Pfizer in grade 4. They have been very committed to their remote learning work, completing all their activities. The work they posted also shows excellent thinking skills. The quality of their work is exceptional. Miss Jan would like to nominate Logan in grade 1. Logan is on top of all his tasks. He posts regular updates, he responds to feedback, and he approaches the tasks with enthusiasm and creativity. Miss Jan would also like to nominate Ezra. We are beginning to learn about money in grade 1. Every day, Ezra posts a video which is both educational and entertaining. For example, yesterday's began with, "Welcome to episode 3 of Animals Are Us. Today we're going to learn about credit cards." Miss Debbie in grade 2 would like to nominate Samuel and Durban for being committed and balanced. Samuel and Durban have demonstrated commitment during the remote learning. They complete activities with enthusiasm. They show balance as they plan out their tasks for the week. And finally, Miss Kay would like to nominate Ruben and Halla for showing commitment in grade 5K. Ruben and Halla have been committed during the remote learning by making sure they complete their tasks on time. They also constantly contribute to their exhibition group and their process. I'd like to congratulate all those people on showing commitment. Let's give them a great big whoosh. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Until next time, friends, Stay safe, look after yourselves. Goodbye.